By the end of this video, you will know how to make a Shopify hair store. Start from your Shopify admin dashboard, where you are already signed in to your account. From the left side menu, click Products, then select Add Product to create your first hair item. Enter the product title and write the description. Include the details a customer would expect to see, such as the hair type, texture, length, color, and material. Keep those details consistent so shoppers can compare products clearly. Next, upload your product images. Use clear photos that show the hair product from different angles so customers can see the texture, shape, and finish. After that, enter the price and fill in the inventory information for that item. If your product comes in multiple choices, add product options and variants. For a hair store, that often means setting up variants for length, color, texture, or density, depending on what you are selling. Once those options are in place, complete the rest of the product details and click Save. Repeat that same process for the other hair products you want to sell. As you continue adding items, keep your titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and variant structure organized across the catalog. That will help your store feel consistent when customers browse. When your products are added, go to Products, then Collections. Create collections to organize the store into categories such as wigs, bundles, extensions, or hair accessories. This gives your products a clear structure and makes them easier to find from the storefront. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you want to use for your hair store and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, adjust your logo, colors, typography, header, and announcement bar so the storefront matches your hair brand. Then add the home page sections you want to feature, including featured products, collections, promotional banners, images, and brand information. Arrange those homepage sections in the order you want customers to see them. The sequence matters because it shapes how visitors move through the store from the first screen down the page. When you are finished customizing the storefront, click Save. Now go to Online Store, then Navigation. Configure your menus so customers can browse your hair products, collections, and important pages without confusion. Make sure the menu labels match the categories and pages you created. After that, open Settings, then Payments, and configure the payment methods you want to accept. Then go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, and set up your shipping rates and delivery options. Finally, preview the store and check that your products, variants, collections, navigation, and checkout display correctly and work as expected. Look through the storefront the way a customer would and confirm that the shopping flow is complete. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify hair store is now set up with products, collections, storefront customization, navigation, payments, and shipping.